this place looks so lively.
Yes, so let's go then.
Okay.
Oh, 谢谢. Sugar painting is real indeed an art form. Also, the process of making it, it was truly enjoyable.
Yes, and it needs so much focus and patience.
Yes.
Oh my God. Isn't it tasty and familiar to you?
Yes, it's kind of look like the sweets, traditional sweets that we've made during our New Year with Mom.
Passing through this unique ancient cultural street has become a sweet memory. This Spring Festival has shown us that no matter where we come from, we are all connected and cherish the same values for family, friendship, and joy.